Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see about storage account. So first thing is that let me create a new storage account. So I will simply click on create here. I can select my subscription, my resource group. Then my storage account should at least have 3 digits. Okay, so I can say this as something like this. Okay, this is available. Then I can select my region where I need this resource group, not resource group, sorry, this resource. Then I can, select here my performance, like whether I should go with premium, standard. Then here you can select your redundancy. So GRS will be fine for this video. Then next, I can click on next here and you can see all these options here. So access tier typically will keep it hot only. Okay, next networking is another important aspect here. So basically you can disable access to outside world. Like when I say outside, specifically I say about public network address. Okay, for now I will enable it. Okay, and then if you want to give your storage account access to a particular virtual network, then you can also do that. Okay, here you can simply select your VNet. I don't have it, I can create. But I will go with all for now. And this is again a critical setting here while you are creating a storage account, your soft delete for your blobs, container, file share. So it simply means even if you delete your file for next 7 days, they are going to reside inside your blob and you can recover them at any time. Okay, so if you find your data is very critical, if accidentally someone deletes, that is going to cause issues for you, so then you can increase this soft delete days as well, basically the retention days. Then here you can select your encryption. This is same concept as we have in most of our Azure resources, so I can simply go here, review and create. Then it will do validation. You can check all your information. Okay, you can basically validate your information one more time and then you can click on create button. Now this will deploy a Azure Storage Account for you. So this shouldn't take more than 1 minute to configure this, and inside this storage account we have different okay, let me go to resource first. Okay, now here a few more important setting here would be for you when it is provisioned. What kind of your account is this? Okay, what is your application type, your performance, your disk state, and here currently we have disabled the queue and table because we have selected the CMK1. Okay, and now here I want your focus towards especially networking here. So let's say if you want to block access to outside world, even though while creating also you get those options, but later on also you can come back and you can change. Okay, here also you have your private endpoint, your routing, your domain, everything is available here. Okay, and similarly your data management is another critical thing that you should know. So you can go towards your redundancy. So here you can see where actually your data is replicating. So my primary is East here and secondary is US in United States region. And you can also see if there is any failover at any time, given the Azure storage accounts, they are down for due to any reason. So you can check here and you will get those messages here. So another very critical thing is this one, lifecycle management. So the storage account have a lot of data, so that's why we need to add certain kind of rules so that unnecessarily the data that we don't need, we can delete them. So let's assume in a hypothetical scenario that if a file is not modified for 30 days, you want automatically that file to move to your cold tier. Okay, or you may want to delete your file. So how we can apply these kind of rules? So for that you can simply click on add a rule here, You can give a name to your rule. Let me say it as I want to move these files to cool tier. I will say move to cool. Here you can select your blob type. Okay, I'll click on next. Here you are setting the condition. You are saying that if your blob files were last modified before more than 30 days, simply means this, then you want to delete the blob. Okay, but for now you can move it to cool storage. Okay, and then simply click on add. So once you add it, you can see your rule again, like you can anytime go and disable it, delete it, and you can even check what all you set up. Okay, but setting this is really critical. Okay, and you can add multiple again condition as well. And let me go back here. So this was the basic introduction of your storage account, and in our next video we will see about our different data storage like containers, file, etc. Thank you for watching this video.